Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can send any file like videos, photos, file, gif, gif, anything. How can you send this through Google Chat? So let's start the tutorial. So here you can see it's my Google Chat homepage. So I'm just going to click my friend account. Then like you can see the plus icon here. So once you click here, then you'll see some option like you can send photos, GIF, and your selfie through camera. But how can you send all the things like videos, photos, PDF file? So that's why you have to use Drive. Okay, you have to use Google Drive. So once you click Google Drive, then you have to choose the file which file you are gonna send to your friends. So simply click my drive. Once you click my drive, then you will see all the files you already uploaded in your Google Drive. So simply you can see here are some PDF, and there are some things. So after that you have to simply click choose and then select. You can send this way photos, though there are some option in photos, videos, PDF, any file you can send through Google Drive. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.